Good morning students, myself UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Muniti Dhanbad. Today we will going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter 16, water precious resource of class 7. Okay, the next topic is water management. So what do you mean by water management? So water management is a process in which we maintain the sufficient amount of water and prevent the loss of water. Okay, so this is known as water management. So how can we possibly manage water so that we can use it efficiently? Let us understand this. Okay, uh, in figure 16.8 of page number 200, India's map has been shown, in which rain map of India has been shown. Okay, so here there is a rainfall distribution. Okay, in which part of the regions have more witness more rainfall, and those places which have scanty rainfall. Now you can see through the scale rainfall in centimeter. This navy blue regions above 400, then the light blue 200, 400, and so on. So as we can see that in India, many places like in the northeast, in southern coastal regions, rainfall is maximum. Okay, while in river plains and some certain areas rainfall is um, about 100 to 200 centimeter. Okay, which means fairly good amount of rainfall occurs. In some areas, however, are desert areas like in the Rajasthan and most part of the Gujarat. Okay, so they witness less rainfall. Okay, so as we can see that those areas, you can see the blue areas. Okay, some part of it represent the river plain and other parts have water reserve. Okay, other parts are places such as northeast and the southern parts, which is represented by navy blue color. These color actually are the places where there is what you can say seldom water shortage, because rainfall is maximum in those regions. However, we must pay attention to those regions like this one, this region extend from some part of UP, Maharashtra, and then Karnataka, and this part, like this is the Rajasthan, the Thar desert. Okay, and most part of the Gujarat. So these region need water. So how can you possibly provide water? Okay, so as we know that the distribution of rainfall is not uniform, so there need to be a system in place, and in some places some systems have been working already, like the canal systems. Okay, the this canal system will extend from one part of the country to another part. For example, the Indra Canal extend from the northeast up to Rajasthan. So this Assam region or the northeast region receives maximum rainfall, not in India but globally. Okay, so from this region water has been carried through the pipe from one part to another part. So this kind of system need to be in place. Okay, so as we know that in our country there are different places which witness different amounts of rainfall. Therefore, if we properly manage water, there will be no water scarcity. We are blessed with such a climate that even if we what you can say manage our water resources in the proper manner, we can certainly will have plenty of water to use. Okay, there will be no water shortage if managed properly. But the problem arises, or the crux of the problem, there is a mismanagement. How there is a mismanagement? For example, there are leaking pipes, so this need to be fixed, the larger pipes and the smaller pipes. Okay, the proper management or system in place. So many canals need to be built. Okay, from one region to another region, from region which witness heavy rainfall to the region which witness which have scanty rainfall. So as we can say, also there is a what you can say certain amount of what you can say reckless use of water, wasting of water. Okay, So this system need to be in place. Okay, for various needs like agriculture is the major need of water, and if is proper canal system takes place by the administration, okay, new project need to be established to ensure that water shortage cannot take place. Okay, so this is all about water management, and system and administration need to be in place to ensure that different regions will the region which have water shortage receive rainfall from the other parts, which is quite viable. Okay, because India is gifted with regions which receives heavy rainfall. Thank you. After you get the video, the link will be open for all of you to ask your doubts. Thank you.